Hi, this is Kathy. Here we are, Santa Monica, heading to Santa Monica Pier. Woo! Look at it. I'm on a bicycle. I'm trying to do this. There we go, beep beep. It's so gorgeous here. Can't believe I made it. Okay, here we go. Ready for a bike ride. Down the hill. Let's see if my purse is at the bar I left it at last night. My credit cards. Oh my god, too much fun. Here we are. We're in town visiting a friend, Jason. I've never been here before, it's my first time. I've been here a couple days and I have to leave tomorrow. No! I want to stay forever, I love it. This is the best time ever. I got the Ferris wheel over there. Whoop. You can see all the stuff over there. There it is. Whoop. Ferris wheel is behind the trees. Okay, here we go. Ah! I'm gonna hurt myself. Okay, it's not a good idea to go down a hill with one hand on a bike you've never rode before. I got this cool bike with flowers on it. So awesome, with a little basket. I'm so excited. It's a nice place, everybody's real nice here. Very cool. Fit right in, it's perfect for me. I was born to live here, or at least visit. Okay, bye people. Can't hold this much more. Here we go. Down the hill we go. Ah! Here you can see the rides now. The distance over there. Ah! It's nice. People. There goes the sheeple. Where's the bike riding? I want to go on the Ferris wheel. I think I'll do that. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Bye-bye. Got to go full speed ahead. See ya.